Hi, I'm Andrew Potocznik. Welcome to the 1 Minute Woodturner. If you're thinking of taking up wood turning, there are a couple of things you're going to need to know about, and a few pieces of equipment that you'll need. First of all, a lathe. Some of the features that you may want to look for when you're selecting a lathe is the distance that you can turn between centres. Now in this particular case, once a drive spur is put into place, the distance between that and the tailstock centre or the live centre is about 430 millimetres. You can turn coffee table legs at that size. The other thing is, when you take out the drive spur and you put a faceplate onto the lathe, you need to know how much space you have or how much clearance, and in this case you'll be able to turn an item of about 300 millimetres in diameter. So that makes this lathe quite a handy lathe and versatile. Another handy feature on modern lathes is the use of an electronic variable speed switch. So instead of having to open up the headstock of your lathe and change speeds from one pulley to the next, you can simply start your lathe, and once it starts running you can then adjust the speed to whatever is suited to the workpiece you're working on. And this one also has a little digital readout here which tells you the exact speed that the lathe is running at. As your turning progresses, you may decide that you want a bigger lathe. That's not a bad idea, but keep in mind these little things are quite versatile because of the things that I've pointed out: the variable speed switch, the size of work you can do, and the fact that it's portable. So you can have both, and this can be your backup. Some of the other things that you need to think about when you are selecting lathes: this one has a cast tailstock with a locking lever so that it allows the tailstock to slide neatly, and then you lock it into place. The bed is cast iron, so there won't be any twisting like you'd get with a flimsy lathe. The other thing is you've got a cast saddle and the tool rest. It's a nice solid tool rest, again cast iron, not pressed metal, and the headstock is also cast iron. And the motor is attached to the lathe itself, so that makes it portable in every way, shape and form. If you want more information, click on the links below and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.